We arrived at a client's home where her quartz countertop had 3 chips that needed to be repaired. Our skilled technician used professional specialized materials to restore the damaged areas and bring the countertop back to a natural, seamless-looking appearance. As you can see, repairs like this require precision, experience, and excellent color-matching skills. It's important to carefully mix the right shades, match the texture, and create a finish that blends as naturally as possible with the existing countertop. With more than 30 years of experience in the industry, our technician brings the knowledge, skill, and hands-on experience needed to handle even challenging countertop repairs. At the end of the video, you'll also see our client's reaction after the repair was completed. When choosing a company to repair chips in your countertop, don't make your decision based on price alone. It's important to choose an experienced and skilled technician. An inexperienced repair can not only look worse, but can potentially cause additional damage and make the repair more complicated and expensive. Our goal is simple: to provide professional, precise, and high-quality countertop repairs with results that look as natural as possible.
Great. Wow, that's great. That's awesome.